Thanks for visiting searchforparts.com.
Amsoil formulates UTV lubricants to protect today's turbocharged machines pushed to the limit. To demonstrate, Amsoil simulated extreme riding conditions with a 2021 Can-Am Maverick X3 DS Turbo RR. To increase severity, the test plan included periods of wide-open throttle, with the engine hitting 8,000 RPM, stressing the engine, turbo, and transaxle. Engine oil temperature hit 244 degrees Fahrenheit, far beyond normal conditions. Transaxle temperature rose to 220 degrees. In these conditions, lubricants must resist extreme heat and protect precision parts. After 100 hours and more than 3,400 miles, the engine and transaxle were torn down. Amsoil 100% synthetic lubricants maintained viscosity despite extreme heat and delivered excellent protection, keeping turbo bearings, pistons, cylinders, and transmission gears in like-new condition. Order the protection that can handle your powerful turbocharged UTV.
Amsoil is proudly made in the USA. Click the link below this video to order.